is a period starter kit. The company name is HighOh. So the product came like this. The period starter kit comes with 6 pads, and it comes with a wet bag as well, a waterproof wet bag. So I'm gonna go to their site right now. Their website is super cute. They have lots of women talking and commenting about the HighOh pads, and lots of women said that they will recommend this product. They also have a frequently asked question page as well, and this would be the go-to page for questions and answers that you might have about the pads. And I love the fact that there's also videos, because I'm more of a visual learner. I still think that the visual care cards would be good too to have in a package as well. And if you are confused about which pads to go for, they have different options, and they also have which ones you should get. So if you have a medium flow, low flow, or heavy flow, they have different options for that as well. I'm loving the material. So this is the front, this is the back. It has 2 secure buttons, so like if you need it to be tighter, you can put it on the last button. If you need it to be a little bit looser, you can snap it on and put it on that. I love that. And I love the way how you don't have, like when you want to change your pad, you do not have to touch this at all. So yeah, fold, fold. See, I did it a little better this time around. So yeah, you just toss them, and you can just toss this in your bag. So I would recommend, like, you have one on, you have 2 that's not used in here, and just put them right on here. So it won't fit this way. I wouldn't recommend just tossing the, you know, the bloody one like this. Like, that's not, if you're like me, I think I would do this, order another wet bag, so I know which ones are clean and which ones are dirty. So I would recommend doing that as well. I think that would just, that's just a personal thing that I think I would do. When you check out their website, they do have a kit that has 2 wet bags, and it comes with 2 starter kits. So they do have that. I'm going to start using it today. This will save me money, you know. And also, like, if I don't want to wear the cup, I have this option. So far, so good. I love how it feels. I was a little bit concerned about like leakage and stuff like that, but when I check, there's no leakage or anything like that. Like, look, you can't even tell that it's a used pad unless I let you know it was used. All the blood and everything just absorbed, like, and it stays dry. Like, I love it. I really do. So it doesn't feel like how I felt when I was wearing like regular pads, and it was just wet, and it's just icky feeling. Girls, y'all know what I'm talking about. But the cloth so far is so good. Anything that you thought about how it would be before you try it, just clear that out your mind, okay? So yeah, I'll come back again and keep y'all posted. It's one of those days where you just don't want to do anything. Alright, so I'm back, and I will say, so 3 days later, let me tell y'all, when I washed it out, it held up so much. I was like, wait, what? A lot. It held up a lot. Everything else has been great. It absorbed so much. I don't sweat down there. It's just been good. I'm shocked. Everything that I thought it would have been is not, so that's good. So my final thoughts of this product, I mean, I love it. Yeah, it was the standard size. They do have longer pads. I love the way how it feels. It just blends well with your underwear. It absorbs so much. Look, take it for someone that the first couple of days My cycle was heavy, and it absorbed so much. Like, I didn't feel that mushy feeling stuff when, like, girls, ladies, y'all know what I'm talking about. Like, that down there, and it makes you want to, like, clean all the time. The pad was dry. And let me just say this. In the long run, you're going to save so much money. Imagine how much pads you normally buy throughout the whole year, and you buy a set of these, one or two, doesn't matter. You still will come out winning because you're saving so much money, and you can put that money somewhere else, you know. So think about that. Think about the cost, and you can hand wash them. I threw mine. I did both ways. I hand washed them, lay it flat to dry, and I also washed them in the wash machine and let it, you know, air dry that way as well. And it's all good. So I just wanted to make sure that I was actually testing the product and making sure it still held. It still looks brand new. So nothing wasn't coming apart or anything like that in the wash machine. So I can't say nothing but good things about this product. So that's all I have to say.